Floor plans are primarily used for client communication, helping them clearly understand the spatial layout and circulation within the space. As we enhance the visual styling, client confidence and clarity improves significantly. Now let's see how to generate a floor plan drawing. To the drawings and schedules, click on floor plans and drawings. This opens up the styling panel where you can customize how your plan looks. You can adjust the aesthetics, basically the full color, or whether you want a wireframe. So I'll show you how full color looks like. Yeah. And then we have some color palette options also. You can choose from the preset themes. You can see the mid autumn. This is lake green. We're going for this now. Let's go back. If you scroll down, you can see the shadows. You can turn it on or off. Have the background color, whether you want it to be a light color or dark, custom depending on the presentation style, you can do it. Once you finish customizing, click download. Here you'll see JPEG and vector PDF format. Going for vector PDF, it's basically a vector based export, so importing into tools like AutoCAD, Illustrator will keep the drawing fully editable.